Ready to set up your Brilliant Pad system? We'll show you how in just a few easy steps. After laying out all of the components, place the base on a level surface. Next, connect the power cord and install the control module. Orient the control module so the Brilliant Pad logo faces upwards. Make sure the green knob is turned to the unlocked position. Push the gear through the hole in the base and turn the green knob clockwise to lock it in place. To avoid loose wires, tuck the cord into the cleats under the base. Attach the two covers by simply pressing the clips of the covers onto the bars on the base. The larger cover goes on the same side as the control module. Put a pad roll into the supply chamber and pull towards and extend past the waist area. Be sure the pad roll feeds from the bottom. When properly installed, the white absorbent surface will face the ceiling. Press a gear cap onto each end of the take-up rod. Next, tuck the end of the pad roll into the upper clips on each end of the take-up rod. Close the supply and waist covers. Turn or rotate the green latches to lock the waist cover. Then, press and hold the Pad Advance button on the control module. Let the paper wrap around the take-up rod a couple of times, and you're all set. Press and hold the Pad Advance button to manually advance the paper. Release the button to stop the motor, or double-click to advance a full sheet. You can also set an automatic timer. When selected, the pad will advance 1, 2, or 3 times a day. The motor will not turn on if an animal is on the machine. An animal sensor can detect if Brilliant Pad is in use and will defer advancing the pad until after the animal leaves. Replacing the pad roll is fast, easy, and clean. Simply take out the entire roll, including the rod and caps, and dispose in the trash. The plastic backing provides a clean grasp surface, and the caps prevent waste from leaking or spilling. The rods and caps are biodegradable in most landfills. Each pad roll comes with a new set of rods and caps. Now you and your best friend are ready to use Brilliant Pad and share a happier and healthier relationship. Spend less time cleaning and more time loving with Brilliant Pad.